We guide you through how to fix iPhone cellular data not working. Start by checking your cellular settings. Open Settings, tap Cellular and make sure cellular data is enabled. If you have multiple SIMs, select the correct line and confirm if it is active. Next, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your network connection. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone because a simple reboot can fix temporary network glitches. You should also check for Career Settings update by going to Settings, General, About, and waiting for any update prompt. If you are using VPN, disable it temporarily because it can interfere with your connection. Another fix is resetting your network settings. Go to General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it can solve many cellular issues.